Want to know how to receive money with RIA? It's simple. Here's how to get your funds fast and easy. First, check with the sender, make sure they have completed the transfer, and you have the tracking number or PIN. You'll need this to claim your money. Once that's ready, you have a few options for receiving your money. Cash pickup, head to your nearest RIA location. You can find one by searching on an app or website. When you arrive, show the agent your tracking number or PIN, and you'll get your cash right there. Bank deposit. If you are receiving the money directly into your bank account, the transfer should show up within 2 to 5 business days. Check your bank account to confirm once the transfer is complete. If the sender chose a mobile wallet option, you'll get the funds instantly or within a few minutes. Just log into your mobile wallet app, and your balance will be updated. Home delivery. In some countries, Ria offers home delivery for cash. So if you're eligible for this, you'll receive a notification when your cash is on the way, yet it will be delivered to your door. If you ever have trouble receiving your money, you can always reach out to Ria's customer support for help, and they're available via phone, email, or live chat. Also, remember to keep the tracking number safe so you will need it for any follow ups or if you ever lose access to your transfer. That's it. Receiving money with Ria is fast and easy, whether it's cash, bank deposit, or straight to your phone. If this helped you out, give it a like, subscribe for more quick guides, and turn on notifications so you never miss a video.